Isang maganda at mapagpalang araw sa lahat ng mga YouTube viewers sa buong mundo. Ito ang mainit na pagbati sa inyong lahat mula sa ating bagong YouTube channel na Simple Knowledge and Information. Ang Simple Knowledge and Information ay isang channel na may layunin upang magbahagi ng kaalaman, karunungan, at impormasyon tungkol sa world history, sports and entertainment, news and current events, politics, science and technology, at iba pa.
Top 10 most expensive car in the world. This is the latest ranking for the most expensive car in the world for the year 2021. Finish and watch the full video. He will surely surprise and shock you and be surprised how expensive this car is. Top 10. Aston Martin Valhalla, $1,300,000. Another Aston Martin lineup that draws names from the strength and love of Norwegian Lord. 2021 Valhalla will also be the result of a partnership between Aston Martin and the Red Bull Racing team. Only 500 of these mid-engine hypercars will do. A turbocharged 3LV6 engine with a power of 1,000 horsepower, 746 kilowatts, 1,014 picoseconds. Aston Martin noted that the interior is filled with space-age elements and changes that add to the feeling that this car is something incredibly new. The infotainment screen is in the center of the steering wheel, so your eyes don't have to wander. The button-dense dashes of the past have been replaced by an integrated band that seamlessly provides audio, ventilation, and lighting. Top 9. Mercedes-AMG 1, $2,700,000. Although production of this car was delayed for several months, it returned to the track, Reject One as AMG engineers referred to it. The long-awaited 2021 Mercedes-AMG 1 will be a 1,000 horsepower derived F1 plug-in hybrid drivetrain, with an extremely quiet road presence. Ever since Formula One had its first inaugural season in 1950, people have been looking for a way to deliver that technology to the streets. With the AMG 1, drivers who can afford to do so, can, and do, now, have a sustainable hybrid model. According to the Mercedes website, the claimed acceleration of this car is 0-200 kph or 0-120 mph in 6 seconds. A 1.6L V6 hybrid petrol and 4 electric motors allow the AMG 1 a top speed of over 350 km per hour, 217 miles per hour. Top 8. Koenigsegg Jesko. Price $3 million. In just a swift leap up from Ferrari Stradale, but don't worry, it's not the last Ferrari we see. The Jesko is our first expensive hypercar that goes to 7 numbers. From a performance aspect, it makes sense. The Koenigsegg Jesko will also be one of the fastest supercars in the world in 2021. Swedish auto manufacturer Koenigsegg dreamed of Jesko as a suitable successor to the groundbreaking Agera RS. An engine update, a lighter frame, and a surprising amount of comfortable add-ins make it a car that not only lightning fast and fun to drive. Its engine was a very powerful 1,280 horsepower V-8. The rear wheel steering that this car boasts helps manage downforce and drag, so, even if it's a powerful car, the driver is in control at all times. Jesko Absolute reached a top speed of 330 mph or 531 kph. To this day, we still amazed and wondering about the stunning acceleration stats this powerful car should do. Top 7. Gordon Murray T50, $3,080,000. McLaren F1 engineer Gordon Murray has been an exceptional vehicle manufacturer for 15 years. In his honor, Gordon Murray Automotive is building 100 road cars and 25 track-only vehicles for this anniversary hypercar. Billed by many as the last great analog supercar, the T50 was built in an effort to help Gordon Murray invest in his brand. It will also serve as a intended capstone, according to Murray, who described the upcoming T50 as a bookend on the story of ultra-fast internal combustion cars. In fact, many car houses are dedicated to electrical models, hybrids, and other automatics. It will have a 6-speed manual gearbox, a small, powerful, and naturally sought-after V12 engine, and in a further respect to the McLaren F1, a traditional 3-seat layout. Gordon Murray T50 has a claimed top speed of 220 mph 354 kph. The official acceleration numbers have not yet been released. Top 6. Bugatti Chiron Super Sport 300 Plus, price, $5,740,000, nearly double the cost of Jesko and Murray T50. Bugatti Chiron Super Sport 300 Plus provides speed and power along with the beauty that truly makes a Bugatti. The destructive curve it wears on its smooth front is futuristic. It gets a whopping 1,577 horsepower from a quad-turbocharged 8LW16 motor. Years ago, this car was the first to break the then golden speed barrier of 300 mph or 483 kph, and so, like the most expensive car in the world, this Bugatti has a claim to fame. The Bugatti Chiron Super Sport 300 Plus accelerates from 0-100 kph 0-60 mph in 2.4 seconds. It reached a top speed of over 300 mph, or 483 kph. And, as an enthusiast, has a basic infotainment system that syncs with both Apple and Android products. Top 5. Bugatti Divo, price, $6 million. Bugatti reputation for luxurious, expensive supercars continues into the next two cars in our ranking, starting with the 2021 Divo. Bugatti Chiron was such a success that the Divo, a car that closely followed it, had many similar features. However, the Divo looks more unique, and more exclusive. Only 40 Divos will be formed and sold. The updates include better suspension, a lighter frame for increased speed, and a new dorsal fin. Inside, the Divo contains an 8.0 LW16 engine with 4 turbochargers. As a result, the Divo has 1,500 horsepower, a speed of over 0-100 kph 0-62 mph in 2.4 seconds. Its top speed, 380 km/h or 236 mph. To save as much weight as possible, Bugatti kept interior comfort and infotainment materials to a minimum. However, the steering wheel features soft faux suede, and the blue and black aesthetic on the outside is also featured on the inside. Top 4. Bugatti Centodieci, price, $9 million. Bugatti 2021 Centodieci will be even more exclusive. Only 10 of these luxury hypercars will be sold. Everyone has seen a happy buyer already, despite the high price. Bugatti, a brand known for unique bodywork and luxurious comfort features, with the 1577 horsepower quad-turbo W16, it may not be the fastest Bugatti currently on the road, but it is the fastest acceleration. Using this car, Bugatti paid tribute to the EB110 or the Centodieci, a supercar made in the early zeros. That car no longer had the time to perform as expected. This car will make up for that, bringing performance and luxury to spare. Bugatti posted a claimed 0-62 mph or over 0-100 kph acceleration of 2.4 seconds. The Centodieci will have a top speed of 236 mph, or 379 kph, clearly lower than the Chiron, but this hypercar compensates for it with its unique modern aesthetic. Top 3. Pagani Zonda HP Barchetta, price, $17,600,000. The Zonda is the first car show of the Pagani Automobili Auto House. Years ago, production should have stopped, favoring Loira. Instead, Pagani came out with several different special editions of the Zonda. This, the Zonda HP Barchetta, is thus named Barchetta, because, to Harishi Pagani, that's what it resembles. In Italian, a Malbonese frame is entirely formed of carbon fiber for an ultralight body and zippy, fast feel. It is blue in color, it has a miniature air mirror, and it stands only 21 inches tall, 0.5 meters at its highest. Unfortunately, the Pagani Zonda HP Barchetta is also the best car you can buy. Only 3 vehicles were produced by this unique, specific version of the Zonda. When last sold, one of these vehicles went for $17.6 million. Its acceleration is 0-60 mph or 0-100 kph in 3.4 seconds. The Zonda HP Barchetta can reach top speeds of 355 kph or 220 mph. Top 2. Bugatti La Voiture Noir, $18,700,000 in 2019. Bugatti made a brilliant branding decision when launching their latest supercar. Instead of a flashy introduction and name focused on excitement, the French manufacturer opted for a restrained, minimalistic, and immediately iconic title, La Voiture Noire. The black car. No other description is required. Although, going into the details doesn't interfere with the prodigiousness of this gorgeous high-priced vehicle, it gets a hand-carved carbon fiber shell, a quad-turbo W16 8.10L engine that makes 1500 horsepower, and an acceleration of 0-100 kph 0-60 mph in 2.4 seconds. Its top speed is 420 kph 260 mph, and its overall performance is engineered exactly by an auto house famous for making the world's most powerful cars for decades. Number 1 1963 Ferrari 250 GTO, value staggering $70 million for the most expensive car of all time, we turn to history. After all, if you are investing in a gorgeous supercar, it should be one that can tell you a good story. In 1964, the 250 GTO won the Tour de France automobile, marking the 9th year in a row that Ferrari had won that race. Only 36 of these cars were produced between 1962 and 1963. That specific Ferrari that is the most expensive in the world, at an incredible $70 million price point, not only won the Tour de France, but also placed it at Le Mans. With a top speed of 174 miles per hour and an acceleration of 0-100 kph 0-60 mph in 6.1 seconds, its statistics are certainly not thrilling today alone. However, with zeros, it was the fastest in the world, and now, decades later, it remains the world's most expensive car of all time. Some term this beautiful car the Picasso of the motoring world. The other, the holy grail of Ferraris. What is the most expensive car? The 1963 Ferrari 250 GTO. The current owners of the world's most expensive car include American fashion designer Ralph Lauren, Pink Floyd drummer Nick Mason, and John A. Shirley, the former president and CEO.